jailbreak with my friend Emily.
Hey guys, my name's Emily and today I'm playing Jailbreak with my friend Kayla. So, let's get started.
Guys, we're both doing YouTube. We both have YouTube channels and she's doing it at the same time as me.
So, we're playing Jailbreak today and we're prisoners. So, Kayla?
Yes?
Let's escape.
Yeah, we always get past this today.
It's so easy. And if you guys don't know the easiest ways to escape, I can show you them. So here we have an exploding wall, and you just stand on this X, and you can press this button to explode the wall, and then you just walk through it. And you can escape. But the way that Kayla and I escape is by over here, there is a sewer, and you can just run through it.
Okay, so if you don't know that there was a sewer, if you don't play Jailbreak, go and play Jailbreak. It is super fun.
It's a really awesome game, and
these are the updates in it.
Yeah, there's actually, it gets updated really it's been updated really recently, and it gets updated often, like really often. And the thing is, I'm playing on computer, and Kayla's playing on a tablet, so it takes her a little while to run because she can't sprint, whereas I can use my shift key to sprint. So it takes her a little while to run.
Yeah, it does take me a little while to run. You're right, but it's actually pretty easy to run for me.
Yeah.
In the sewer, I'm super fast.
The thing is, in the sewer, if you're in the water, you can just stand there. And
Emily, you driving?
Yeah, I'm driving. And it just drags you along.
Yeah, but it drags you along slow.
Yeah. Don't let this person get in the...
Hey, she blocked my foot out.
Did she get in the car?
Yes, and now I can't get in.
Let me do something.
Okay. Let's do what she's done. She said she can. Okay, let's see. Today's mission.
Get out of the car! We're just getting angry at her. No! No. So guys, she's trying to tell me to go, but I'm not going to because I'm trying to wait for Kayla. Because I'm waiting for my friend. Get in.
I'm trying to. 1 second. Come in. Yes. Focus. Say yes, sucker.
Bye.
Say yes, sucker.
Oh, she tried to hitch a ride then. That was funny.
You know, funny.
Now Kayla wants me to drive because she says that she's a really bad driver. And I think I'm a really bad driver too because I go off-roading all the time by accident. Like before Kayla. Remember that? That was quite the experience.
Yeah.
We sort of got trapped. And the other day I was playing Jailbreak and I got stuck. Yep. And I got lost in the river.
Oh, the city. We're going to the city one, aren't we? There's one up here. We're going to volcano one. Okay. Oh, flip!
Sorry. I didn't mean to do that.
Again, you've got to be kidding me.
Sorry.
The person just had to do a phone.
I know.
Now I'm stuck. Wait 1 second. I have a way to flip it over.
Kayla, if we want to get to criminal base, if you guys don't know this, there's an easy way to get to criminal base.
Hey,
Kayla, do you want to do it? What did you do?
I have no clue.
On the mountain thing. I'm losing health on purpose so that I can spawn at criminal base. Because if you die from falling off, something then usually do.
Let me out of here.
Are you stuck in the car? That's sad.
Yeah, I'm gonna reset my character. I don't care if I do that because
So, guys, Kayla has to reset her character because she's stuck. So she's gonna have to go back
it
to
won't
prison.
let me out. I'm jumping like hell.
So,
Oh,
yeah.
it'd be funny if I just no, I'm back to prison.
So, I'm going to go to the museum while Kayla does that.
Oh, great. Oh, I don't have my clothes. I don't have my clothes on.
Kayla, really, you had to say that. Personal information.
Okay. No,
Personal information. Okay, guys, just letting you know that's not real life. It's
I
her
didn't
Roblox
have my
chat.
orange jumpsuit on. I had my normal.
Her tablet glitched and it showed her Roblox character without her orange jumpsuit on. So that's why she did not mean it in that way.
Yeah. Cut that bit. Cut.
Okay, don't think she meant that in real life.
Yeah.
She didn't mean that.
Okay,
in
I'm
real life.
looking up things at the top. 5,350 downloads.
Yeah.
That's just wrong.
I
I
know.
was on the top criminals once from the 2,500. I was once on the donut shop. I robbed the donut shop multiple times.
Yep, I did that the other day with my friend. We robbed the donut shop. And, yeah.
My robbing the donut shop with no cost in the server. I am like really 5 prisoners. So we were like, this is crazy.
And I just got arrested.
Okay. Well,
Stay in prison.
yeah, I was about to.
So guys, we're gonna re-escape because I just got arrested because I didn't realize there was a police there. I thought it was just a criminal. I didn't realize. I thought it was just a criminal that had changed into their normal clothes or the criminal ways. But no,
Anyway, meet me inside okay.
in the sewer,
Yeah, so I'll be waiting.
at the car, like outside the car. Now, guys, this door is taking ages to open.
It takes 20 seconds for me.
I know, but it was glitching and it wouldn't open, so my door glitched, wouldn't open. It says cell time, head to your cell, but I ain't going to my cell.
Oh, no one ain't going to that now. Why is it so big? Okay,
So guys,
I'm down in the sewer.
I'm
a
coming.
criminal.
I'm not a criminal yet.
Oh,
but
crap.
What?
This guy has
997,883. Ooh, can I catch you? Can I catch up to you? I'm at the ladder.
I just beat you. You're gonna beat me then.
Because I can sprint. But I'm the driver anyway. Get in before someone comes and steals your spot again.
Well, nobody's around.
Last time we didn't think anyone was around. But no, they were around.
And they tried to get in my spot. I was so angry. You saw that, didn't you?
Yeah.
Everyone saw that. Comment down below if you saw that or if you started like in the middle of the video. I didn't see it. Okay.
So guys, don't forget to...
In the description below, I will be linking this video from her YouTube channel in the description below.
And I'll be linking Kayla's.
Her video out.
And by the way, guys, my channel is a shared channel between me and my friends at school. But this is our first video, and the channel's only logged in on my computer. So whenever they make a video, they're just gonna send it to me, and I'll upload it. So you will see other people. Why am I taking us up here? No idea.
Okay, this is fast thing. Here's a fast thing this. Oh, there's a thing.
I know, I get flung out of the car. So guys, we're gonna wait here. Kayla, get out. We're waiting here until a train comes along so we can hijack it. Kayla, you know how there's two carriages with money?
Yep.
We'll get into one each, okay?
Okay, wait. have less money. Okay, I used to.
How much money do you have? You have 4,700. So, okay. So the first hijack that we do, I get the bigger amount. Second one, you get the bigger amount.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fair.
Okay, so when the train comes.
So guys, I used to
come from this way or that way. Where's this going? Walk onto it.
It comes from behind us, Kayla. Guys, I used to have 3,850, but then I accidentally rented an apartment, so I've been getting my money back, and yeah, it's sad because I lost $3,000 because I accidentally walked into an apartment and rented it.
You robbed the train, and now you have $2,000.
Yeah.
At least you have it.
Because I only had 850 left, but then I hijacked one train and got 1,500.
Yeah.
1,500 and.
I was with her when she did that, but she wasn't recording. But
Yeah.
we weren't recording.
That would have been a good.
So hilarious.
It would have been Kayla.
It was so hilarious.
Kayla, it would have been a good video if we were recording.
Yeah.
Funny when I lost my money.
Yeah.
If I was recording, that would have been funny.
I just bought 2 spots.
Okay. Kayla just bought 2 safes while we're waiting.
Yeah,
Gonna
I'm
open
just
them.
Yeah,
So guys, if you want to check out Kayla's channel, be sure to check out the link that I'll put down below.
Okay, so we're both putting our links down below.
We're each putting each other's YouTube channel links, and you guys should check out Kayla's YouTube videos. They're really good.
I've made one. This is like that's one.
This is your first jailbreak.
You're doing well. Good job. Good job.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh.
And this train is taking ages to come.
Yeah, it always does. Wait,
Usually.
I just put an extra space. What the heck is happening?
No idea.
I'm trying to open my face.
Whoa, Kayla, look at that. Look. Okay, we just got a paycheck. Sorry.
Yeah,
Now I've got 2.5.
we're waiting patiently.
Yes, we're waiting patiently for a train to come so we can hijack it.
Well, this open.
Now, guys, this train is taking a while. So, Kayla, you can stay here.
Yeah, where you
And
going?
seeing as I can run faster, I'm gonna go up onto this hill, and I'll catch it earlier, and then you can catch it when it comes to you.
Yeah, that's gonna be.
Because then we won't get
You can see it.
Kayla. Because then we won't get unit collision.
Tell me when it comes.
Yeah, I will. But guys, when there's 2 of you trying to rob the same thing or doing the same thing, you get unit collision, and it's really irritating. So I'm going onto this bridge back here.
Why I can't open my I got 3 steps.
Taylor, it's coming. It's here.
I'm gonna jump in. Hey, you knocked me off. You knocked me off, Emily.
I did?
Yes,
Sorry.
you knocked me off. You pushed me.
Sorry.
I'm trying to get off.
I'm trying to open this door.
Emily. Thanks a lot.
Sorry. I didn't mean to.
That was
So guys, in Roblox there's a lot of unit collision. And in trains it's really irritating because I can't go into that. I didn't mean to. There's a lot of unit collision in Roblox, so it's really irritating.
Yeah, it's super irritating right now for me. That's my first time robbing a train that I got consented.
So Kayla is very disappointed.
Yeah.
And I would be
rob
too.
the bank instead.
So Kayla's going to now rob the bank.
We're right next to the city anyway, so why not?
And I'm going to run back across the tracks.
We're right next to the city. Yeah, there's a good point of looking at.
So I'm going to go back to the city now. But I think I'm going to end this video here, Kayla.
Yeah.
So bye guys, and
Bye.
I'll see you next time.
We'll see you next time.